Okay, we're gonna do some videotapes on.
Take it, Mama can do it. Come here. Caitlin.
Well, Caitlin's getting tackled by all.
Yes.
Mama's trying a bridge. Ready?
Okay, there it goes. Show us, Mama.
Look
Whoa, nice bridge.
What's this? I can.
You do it. You do it.
Very nice job, Mama.
Woo,
Wow.
Can you go the other way? That's your crab walk. Can you lay down and put your hands
Good
the other
crab
way?
walk, Owen.
Good crab walk.
I'm gonna beat up.
No, don't jump on the crab.
Don't jump on him. Can you show us your somersault? Oh, cheapers.
I'm trying to pick up my cat.
Can you show us your somersault? Alright, KK, show us your somersault or your cartwheel or your bridge. Daddy's recording.
This is riveting television here. Very good job,
Maybe
Mama.
get Parker. Thank you.
Hi. Oh. Should Dad try cartwheel?